Hello, this is Zamanzadeh from ZZNetworking.com. In order to see better, press this icon to view full screen. In this tutorial, we're going to start where we left off last time. In the following code, I'm going to show you how you're able to rename a table. So before we made a table called VIP_customer2. Suppose we want to change the name of this table to something different. But we can do that very easily. All we have to say is rename the name of the table, which in this case is VIP_customer2. We put the word to and then whatever name we want to change it to. In this case, we're going to change VIP_customer2 to the name VIP. We go ahead, hit Control Enter, statement is processed. So now that we changed the name, let's see if we can select from the old table. Remember, the old table's name was VIP_customer2. We go ahead and say select all, and it'll give you the error message, table review does not exist. But we get rid of this, and we go ahead and say select all from VIP. And there we can see the same table that we had last time. So this is its new name. If we say describe VIP, it gives us the same column name, data type, length as VIP_customer2. So let's go ahead and select all from it, and we'll continue. Now, in the past, you were shown how to delete all the rows from a table. That's not always a good idea. When you truncate a table, all the rows are deleted, but the structure remains. The only difference between deleting all rows from a table and truncating is that when you delete all the rows, the storage space occupied by those rows will still be allocated to that table. Truncating a table frees up that storage space. So rather than deleting all rows, when you want to get rid of all rows, it's much better to just truncate. So we're going to go ahead and code the following. Now, as you see here on your screen, I have a few codes. Down here on your bottom pane, you see all the values, the column name, customer num, and the values for it. I'm going to go ahead and execute truncate table VIP. This is table truncated. I'm going to get rid of this. Now we're going to describe the table VIP. You're going to see that we still have customer num char3. We select everything from it, but there's no data found. Now let's go back and describe everything. Okay, now that we have no rows within this table, suppose we wanted to insert new rows. Well, we can still do that. We can say insert into VIP values. We open up our parentheses. We notice that there's only one column in there, so with a data type of char and a length of 3, we can go ahead and say 100. Since it's char, we put in single quote 100. Close the parentheses, and one row is inserted. We select everything from VIP, and now we have one row inserted into that table. So truncating is a better option than simply deleting all rows. Whenever you need to delete all the rows from a table, but you want to keep the structure of the table, the column names, the data types, and the lengths, it's better to truncate the table rather than simply saying delete from the table name. I'll show you that. If we say delete from VIP with nothing in our where clause, we execute this. Sure enough, one row is deleted. We select everything, and no data is found. Now the last step is this. Suppose we want to just get rid of the table altogether. Well, the way to do that is to simply say drop table and then the table name. In this case, our table name is VIP. So we say drop table VIP, hit Control Enter, and the table is dropped. If we say describe VIP, object to be described could not be found. If we say select all from VIP, table review does not exist. So this table is completely dropped. In future videos, I'm going to discuss with you constraints and how you can use constraints to ensure that data that's entered into one table either correlates to another table through a primary or foreign key constraint, and also the check constraint to make sure that the information you're putting in fits a certain specification. And there's also the unique constraint, which ensures that you get a unique value. Only difference between that and a primary key constraint is that you can have null values in the unique constraint. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you for your time, and may God bless you.